Question is using Sylvester theorem we have to find A inverse where A is 1, 2, 3, 2, it is 2 by 2 matrix. We have to find A inverse using Sylvester theorem. So what is the Sylvester theorem? Sylvester theorem states that P of A, whatever we have to find, that is P of, that we have to consider P of A, that is A inverse is equal to P of lambda 1 Z of lambda 1 plus P of lambda 2 into Z of lambda 2. First of all, always whatever we have to show that or we have to find, that we have to consider P of A. So P of A is here A inverse, since we have to find the value of A inverse. So P of A is A inverse and it is always equal to P of lambda 1 into Z of lambda 1 plus P of lambda 2 into Z of lambda 2. So we have to find these four values, P of lambda 1, Z of lambda 1, P of lambda 2 and Z of lambda 2. So P of A is A inverse, so we can find P of lambda 1 and P of lambda 2. Before that, we have to find what is lambda 1 and lambda 2. And lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the eigenvalues of vector A, and that we will get by lambda I minus A is equal to we have to lambda I means it is I is identity matrix of 2 by 2, since it is 2 by 2 matrix. So lambda minus 1, lambda I is lambda I minus A will be lambda minus 1 and 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, 0 minus 3, that is minus 3, and lambda minus 2. And the characteristic that phi of lambda is given by determinant of lambda minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, lambda minus 2 is the phi of lambda, and that we have to find, that is lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0 is the phi of lambda. And this to find the value of lambda we have to equate it 0. So lambda square minus 3 lambda minus plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. We have to solve this one. So we will get lambda square minus lambda minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus plus minus 1 into minus 2 will get plus 2, 2 minus 4 will get 2 minus 6 will get minus 4. So while that is phi of lambda. Now to find the value of lambda 1 and lambda, we will get two values, two eigenvalues, lambda 1 and lambda 2, and that will get by equating this equal to 0. So we will get lambda 1 is equal to 4 and lambda 2 is equal to minus 1. We can find it by calci also. We will get lambda 1 is 4 and lambda 2 is minus 1. And phi of lambda is lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4. So we have to find phi dash of lambda also. Since for z of lambda 1 there is a formula, there we have to find, इसको z of lambda निकालने के लिए हमको निकालना पड़ेगा, तो we have to differentiate it with respect to lambda. So 2 lambda minus 3 is the differentiation of phi of lambda. Now lambda 1 is 4 and lambda 2 is minus 1. So we have to find P of lambda 1, P of lambda 2. P of A is A inverse. So P of A is A inverse. So P of lambda 1, we have to find P of lambda 1. Lambda 1 is minus 4. P of lambda 1 is P of 4 is 4 to the power of minus 1. Since P of A is A inverse, so P of 4 is 4 inverse, that is 1 by 4. Then we have to find P of lambda 2. P of lambda 2 will get P of lambda 2 is equal to P of minus 1, that is minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1, that is minus 1, because minus 1, the inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Now we have to find z of lambda 1 and z of lambda 2. And what is the z of lambda? Z of lambda is, the formula for that is adjoint of lambda I adjoint of matrix lambda I minus A upon phi dash of lambda. Phi dash of lambda, it is the formula for z of lambda 1. Z of lambda, we have to find z of lambda 1 and z of lambda 2. So phi dash of lambda. Now we have to find this one, first of all we have to find adjoint of lambda I minus A. It is lambda I minus A. So adjoint of lambda I minus A will get, we had to change the diagonal elements of this lambda I minus A and नॉन डायगोनल के साइन चेंज करना है. तो यहाँ आएगा लैम्डा माइनस 2, इसका साइन चेंज मतलब 2, इसका साइन चेंज 3 and lambda minus 1 is the adjoint of lambda I minus A. Now z of lambda 1, which is equal to z of lambda 1 is 4. So we have to find z of 4. z of 4 means जहाँ जहाँ पे लैम्डा है वहाँ पे हमको 4 डालना है. z of lambda 4 is adjoint of lambda I minus A. उसकी जगह हम 4 डालेंगे तो that we will get 4 minus 2, that is 2, 2, 3 and 4 minus 1, 3 upon phi dash of lambda. Phi dash of lambda is 2 lambda minus 3 और लैम्डा 1 डालना है मतलब 4 डालना है मतलब 2 into 4 minus 3. इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे या फिर इसको अभी हम फिलहाल ऐसे रखेंगे. सो इट इज 2, 2, 3, 3 upon 8 minus 3 which is equal to 5. Now next is we have to find z of lambda 2. Z of lambda 2 means z of minus 1 because lambda 2 is minus 1, that is equal to, हम हर एक लैम्डा की जगह पे माइनस 1 डालेंगे तो ये आएगा माइनस 3, 2, 3 माइनस 2 अपॉन 2 लैम्डा माइनस 3. लैम्डा की जगह डालेंगे माइनस 1, माइनस 2, माइनस 3 माइनस, मतलब या फिर 2 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 3 विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3, 2, 3 माइनस 2 अपॉन माइनस 5. Now we have to put all values in this equation. So A inverse will be equal to P of lambda 1. P of lambda 1 कितना है हमारा? P of lambda 1 is 1 by 4. And Z of lambda 1. Z of lambda 1 is 2, 2, 3, 3 upon 5 plus P of lambda 2 which is equal to minus 1 into Z of lambda 2. Z of lambda 2 means minus 3, 2, 3 minus 2 upon minus 5. Now we have to solve this one. So we can take this minus will become plus and we can take 1 by 5 as a common factor. So we will get here 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus, because minus become plus and 1 by 5 we have to take common, that is minus 3, 2, 3 minus 2, and this we have to solve and we will get it. So we have to solve this one. 1 by 2 plus minus 3, this 2 term we have to add, so we will get minus 5 by 2. Here 1 by 2 plus 2 is 2 into 2, 4, 5 by 2 and 3 by 4 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 and 3 by 4 minus 2 will get minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. So this we can write it. We can take 1 by 4 as a common factor. So we will get 20, 1 by 20 and here we will get minus 10, 15 and minus 5 is the in A inverse. Last one, 1 by 20 minus 10 minus 10, here it is plus 10. Plus 10, 15 and minus 5 is the A inverse of A.